So this is the WhatsApp automation agent which agencies are charging thousands of dollars to build this. But today I'll show you how you can build the exact same thing step by step. Forget the expensive restrictive tools. In this video I'll show you everything step by step. Even I'll give you the JSON file which you can directly download from my free community. Link will be there in the first pinned comment and description as well. This agent will be a powerful marketing agent which will automate your whole marketing efforts using WhatsApp. If you are a small business or you are building a business, then this will be a perfect AI agent that you should start using now only. So stick to the end because this video will be very useful for your business. So the agent you are seeing on my screen is basically the WhatsApp marketing agent which we are going to build. So here I am scheduling every week one marketing message will be sent to all the numbers which I have. Plus it will notify me on my email saying that I have sent all the messages to all the numbers, and this we are going to do it completely free. So here if you see the dummy message, this I sent using this AI agent free of cost. And here if you see the number, this is a US number which Meta provides. But if you want a real agent, you have to register yourself as a business with proper detail, which I don't have because I am not running any kind of business. But in this video I'll show you each and every step how you can configure that and how you can send messages from your business to all the numbers you have of your clients or of your customers. So here I'll trigger one more time just to confirm that everything is working fine, and I'll show you how it works. So I'll execute this. Basically this should be executed every week, but right now I'm just executing, everything is working fine. Our workflow executed successfully and I should have got the message on my number which I configured in the Meta API. So here if you see, just now I got a new message, hello world, because this is the template which I configured in the Meta. So that's why this is coming, which says welcome and congratulations. This message demonstrates your ability to send WhatsApp messages and notification. So same way I'll configure the real messages which you can configure for your businesses free of cost and quite easily. I'll show you everything. So let's understand this workflow. But to build this workflow, we have to first understand Meta API and Meta setup. So that is very important to build this agent. On YouTube, you will not find much videos how to do this, but I'll show you each and every way to do it. Even in India, it's possible. So right now, first of all, I'll show you that we got the mail also. I'll show you the dummy mail. So this is the dummy mail. Just now 1 minute ago, I got that. On this number, I got the messages. So this is my number. So that's why I blurred it. But you can see that it's working fine and I got notified that every week or what time you want to trigger this message, you can trigger. So first of all, let's understand. So I'll show you how you can do this. So to build this AI agent, to build this marketing AI agent automation, so first what we'll need a Meta API, Meta WhatsApp APIs. That's very important to build this agent. And second, we have to build the AI workflow to completely automate. Now you have completely automated means you can trigger it at your time, every day, every week, every month, your specific time. Third step will be configuring the nodes, which is like how to configure spreadsheet where your numbers will be there, plus how to configure your Gmail also. So these 3 steps will follow in this video and I'll teach you each and everything. So first of all, to do this, what you have to do, you have to go to business.facebook.com home account and you have to first create your business account. That is very important. If you don't have Facebook account, first you have to create one Facebook account. Then you have to create one account. If I click here, so if you see here, create a business portfolio account. This is very important. Without this, you can't do this. And after this also, you have to lot of things you have to do specifically to verify yourself, because Meta is very strict in case of scam and in case of spams, which we send generally on WhatsApp. So it will not allow if you do a single mistake. So that is very important point here. So it is only for those people who are very serious and who have genuine businesses and who have proper proof to showcase that it's my genuine business and I want to automate it. If you don't have anything specific and you are not doing any business and you just want to automate WhatsApp marketing messages, then it will not work for you because the Meta will reject your application. So first you have to create the business portfolio. So I have many business portfolios and I'll directly go to my one of the account where we'll build the AI agent. So here I'm on the business account. So first what you have to do is you have to go to settings. So I'm here in the settings and then you have to click on the apps. This is very important to build this AI agent. So right now this is the app I configured to send these messages and you have to do the same. So what we'll do, we'll try to build the new app. So I'll try to remove it. So I removed my application. Now what we'll do, we create new app. I'll click on add app. So we'll click on create new app. Then we'll give a name. So right now I'm giving again same name, demo marketing app, and we'll click next. So this is the app contact email you have to add, which is very important for this one. Next is the use case. You have to click others, and you have to click others and then next. Next you have to select business, and you have to click on next, and here you have to select the portfolio and everything is selected. You have to just create app, and you have to enter your password to make sure you are a verified account. When you enter your password and submit, you will get a new screen. I think it's loading. Now the next step is setting up the WhatsApp. So here why I am teaching this thing and I am focusing more on this part rather than building the agent in N8N, because this is the brain, this is the main core logic. If you will not able to set up this, you will not be able to build the agent at all. So that's why I am focusing more on this part. And if you find any kind of difficulty, if you find any kind of problem, you can join my community and you can ping there. You can directly talk one-on-one with me. Plus you will get directly the JSON file of the template. You can directly import. So that's why it's very easy to set up the agent than this part. So that's why I'm focusing on this part. And you should be properly watching this part, and you have to follow each and every step, and you have to listen properly. Else if you miss something, it will create a lot of problems and your agent will not work. Next we'll set up the WhatsApp here. So here we are almost close to building the agent. Now what we have to do, we have to start using the API. We have to click on this one. Now we have everything almost to build this agent. So we have the business ID. We'll copy it first and we'll go in N8N. And here if you go on send template, so first what we'll do, we'll stop here. Let me build the agent from scratch, or let me use the template and let me make sure that you get the agent properly, and then we'll start configuring everything. So let's understand this agent. Assuming you have the JSON file and you imported it, even though if you have not done that, it's quite easy. You can easily build this agent step by step because the nodes are very less and connecting these nodes is also quite simple. But still, if you find any issue, if you find any difficulty, you can join my community. You can comment in this video. I'll try to help each and every one of you. So here first thing we have done is we have a schedule node, which basically does every week at 10 a.m. we are triggering this node, this agent, whole everything. And then we have a get numbers. So here we are basically connecting a spreadsheet where we have all the numbers of clients, of customers to whom we want to send the marketing messages. So first we have to create a credential for this one. So it's quite simple. You have to click on new credential, and first you have to create one account on console.google.com. I have taught this thing in most of my videos, so you should be able to know by this time. So if you are new to this video and if you are watching first time how to build this console part, then definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video if you are finding this video useful. So first we'll try to build a new project. Here you click project. You have to sign up first and create new project. Then you have to go to spreadsheet. I guess there is a sheet API. If you be specific, there will be a Google Sheets API. You click on this one, enable it, because here we are using one more node which is from Google, and we have to configure the credential for that one also. So what we'll do, this is Gmail node. So for that we also need to enable the API of Gmail. So we'll click on Gmail and we'll enable the Gmail API. So here I have enabled all those APIs. Now next step, you have to go to API and services. You have to click on credentials, and then you have to create a new credential. So you have to go to OAuth client ID. You have to select web application, and you have to add the redirect URI. So first you have to go to node, click on this one, click on create new credential, and you have to copy this one and you have to paste it in redirect URI. Then you will click on create. You will get client ID and secret, two things. You have to copy it and save it, and you have to add client ID here and secret here. Similarly, you have to do the same thing for Gmail also. If you click on this one, create new, and you don't have to copy this one and paste there. You just have to paste the ID and secret. So these two nodes will be working and your credential will be fine for this agent. So we have done the credential part for spreadsheet and Gmail. Now what we have to do, we have to build this agent. So this part is done. So when you will do this, you will get an option to sign in. So you have to sign in with the Gmail. Using that, you have created the console account, and then you have to give the permission to all the options. Make sure you give the permission to all the options, because if you don't give, most of the time it doesn't work. So that's why enable all the options and give permission. So here we have done the trigger. Now what we'll do, we have added this, we have set up the credential. So here operation will be get rows, document will be, you have to create one document. I'll show you the dummy document. So here is my dummy document, name, WhatsApp numbers, and here we have WhatsApp number and all the list of the numbers. So right now I have only one number, and which is mine, because I'm not an authorized business, which I will show. It's not that complicated also, but you have to verify, which is little tricky, because I tried to verify using whatever resources I had, but Meta rejected it. So that's why I'm little emphasizing that. But for a small business owner, having some kind of website, some kind of email or social media proof, and the naming and convention and the website link numbers or something should match, then it will work. So right now I have my number. You have to either export all the numbers here, or if you are already exporting your numbers and it should be WhatsApp numbers, you can export into Excel sheet, and we are good to go for this one. So we have numbers now. What we'll do is we'll select the document where we are storing the numbers. So I have selected WhatsApp numbers and sheet. I have selected one because my sheet is only one and that is sheet 1. That's it. So it will return all the row number and WhatsApp numbers also. So we have all the WhatsApp number. I'll unpin and test it. So I got all the WhatsApp numbers here. I have only one, that's why it's working for one. Now next step is to loop over each number and send message to each WhatsApp number. So we are using a loop node. In the loop part, we are doing the send template. So what you have to do, you have to click on WhatsApp and you have to go to WhatsApp Business Cloud and you have to select send template. This is the most common and this is the most useful and practical way of doing it. You can't send directly messages, it won't work. So that's why you have to send template. And to create template, you have to first verify your business. That's the tricky part in Meta APIs. So here we have selected the send template part and here the resources messages, operations send template. And here when you will connect, so first thing is to connect the credentials. So create new credential. Here we will create the credential. So what you have to do, you have to come here. So this is your business account ID, you have to copy it. So I'll do the same thing. So what I'll do is like, we'll modify this one only. So I copied the WhatsApp business account ID and I'll go here and I'll paste the WhatsApp business account ID. The second step will be generating the access token. So what I'll do, I'll create generate access token and now you have to sign in properly, then only it will allow. So continue as unarmed soul, you have to continue with your account and then you can select opt in all current and future WhatsApp accounts. I selected this one, continue. I saved and that's it. Now it connected to my account and I got the access token, which is temporary. I'll tell you the solution also how to create permanent also. But right now you have to do this way and you have to paste your access token also here and you have to save it, and this is working fine. The connection tested successfully. It should come. It means your connection is done successfully. This is one part, and then when you'll do this, so you should be able to get the test number. If you scroll down, you should be able to get the default Meta test number which Meta provides, which is a USA based number which you should get. So right now if you see, I have already one test number, and now if you want to add your business number, so you have to add here and you have to create a business profile and you have to make sure that the number you want to add should not be there on the WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp. It should be either on the business or it should not be there, and you have to register properly here. So you have to follow the step. Just you have to add the number. It should be the display name. For example, your business name. You have to add the proper category. You have to add number. So for example, I'll type some ABCD and I'll click the education as a category. Next, now you have to add the number, Indian number. You can type 91 and you will get the Indian code. And then you have to paste the number. Similarly, you can do for other countries also, and you have to verify your number using the OTP. If you will done this thing, then you can select that number in the agent as your new number. Now I can simply test it and it should work. So right now I have done this part. So I have selected the sender number. Now recipient number I am taking from the previous node. So first thing I'll do, execute this step, and it is going in the loop branch. Now if I come on WhatsApp, so right now the number came from the previous node. I just dropped it here and that's it. We are taking now numbers from the loop, and we have even hundreds or thousands of numbers. It will loop on top of that, and to each number on WhatsApp we'll get a new message. Now the next part is to notify that we have triggered the marketing message to everyone. We are notifying ourselves. So basically I have connected the Gmail account. You have to just create the credentials same way. If you click on this one, you have to just paste the ID and secret which you have created recently, and then you have to select the message, resource, operation send, Gmail to whom you want to send to notify. It might be your manager or anyone or yourself if you are a single person handling everything. So here I typed my Gmail and you have to send the message here. You can create this message using AI or whatever, and I am just notifying, and I am also pasting the numbers from here, all the numbers to whom I am sending the messages. And this I am getting it from the get number. So I am basically dropping this part. So it will show me all the numbers. So if you see node.json.toString, so basically this is the way of getting. If I show you here, I am getting the numbers this way. So this way I'll get all the numbers to whom I am sending the messages, and done. Now if I click to execute on this node, execute, I should be able to get a new message. So if I show you the WhatsApp now, so I got one more message, which is a test message. Now what we'll do, we'll try to change the message template. So if you see here, this node name is send template. This is the node which we are using and which will work 99%, because other nodes won't work in India right now. There is a problem. I don't know what's the issue, and it's quite complicated to also figure it out. So this node works perfectly, and this is the only way to send marketing messages, because you have to first create template in your Meta API, then only it will work here. So this is the template. So right now I have selected this one. First you have create new templates. Then when you will select this one, you will get lot of other templates, whatever templates you will create in your Meta Graph API. So let's see how we can create new template. So if you come here, so here is the option, you can create new template. So right now if you see here, I can create my own template. So if you click on this one, now you can create your new template. Per month, you will get around 1000 free messages which you can send. That's the good thing about Meta API if you directly use this, because it's free of cost. And if your business is very small, then it will be free of cost for you. Now here you have option to create template. You can create template for upselling. You can create template just to remind people who come to your business, you come to your website or something. So there are many options. So what way you want to create? So there are many default templates you can select, like marketing, utility, or authentication. So right now I'll see marketing, and this way of template you can create easily. So I'll select default. You can select catalog. It will be something like this. You can calling permission request, it will be something like this, and this is the catalog, and this is the default one. So I'll go with default. This is the most tricky part, and this is the most important part of this video. So here you have to give the name. So I'm saying just reminding people kind of a template. It's English. You don't have to change this thing. If you want to add some media also, you can select this one, but right now I'll just say, so I'm just giving the header, sale is going on, and then we'll say visit our website going on, don't miss this. So this is just dummy text I'm adding. Here you have to add properly based on your business, based on what you want to sell it, what you want to remind it. You can use AI again here. So you can even add the footer also, like thanks, like that. You can add thanks, or you can add your WhatsApp name, you can add your business name or whatever. You can add a button to visit your website, and you have to add the URL of your website here. So that is very important. Now this is the option submit for review. That is very important. So right now I will not add website because I don't have website and I don't want to create mess. So let me submit for review. So your message template has been submitted for review. So it's sent for review, but if I don't have the proper website or proper business, then it will reject most probably, and I'll get a message. So let's see how much time it will take to review this. Generally it will take very less time only. So I'll get the message of that this thing is rejected, or it will approve. Now I'll show you how you can create a permanent access token. So if I go back in the application, so this one, if you come after some time, this will not work, and you have to create in a permanent way. So here are the steps you have to follow. So we have done some second step. Third step is you can create some webhooks. So if you want to receive and reply those kind of conversation message, you can use webhook, but here we are more kind into marketing messages. So here you can also add your number. This is the process how you can add number and add payment. If you want to send more than 1,000 like lakhs of messages you want to send, you can also add payment, and then it will work if your payment method is properly configured. I think it will take some time to review this. So if you see here, you won't be able to use these templates, and while it's in review can take up to 24 hours. So it will take some review. So here you basically have to add your template. So if you come on configuration, and here you will get an option create a permanent token. If you click on this one, you can create a permanent token. So here is the documentation for creating access token. If you come here, you can go to app dashboard, WhatsApp API setup, and you can create the token. So you can go through this if you have big complicated business where you have proper teams or solutions which you want to use. So you can use this way of direct developer token, tech provider or solution provider. So here is the document you can go, but there is an alternate free way of generating token for 90 days at least. So I'll show you that, which will work for most of the businesses. So you have to go to developer.facebook.apps. You have to open your app and go to API setup. See, our token is gone because this token is valid only for 1 hour, and when you refresh it, it will be gone. So we have to create it again. So I'll generate access token again, reconnect, and I got the token. You have to copy this token, and you have to come to tools and go to access token debugger, and you have to paste this token, and you have to click on debug, and you got this token which is valid for 1 hour, but now you can extend it to 60 days or 90 days. You have to enter your password, submit, and now this token is available for 60 days. So today is 11th October. We have validity till 10 December. So we got this token for 60 days. You can simply renew this token after every 60 days, or you can follow the documentation and create a token specific for your use case, which is little tricky, but this way you can create quite easily. So we'll copy this, and I'll again update the token here. So we'll go send template. I'll modify the credential, and I'll paste the new access token. You can paste it here, and you can save it also, and this will be useful for your new agents as well. Now we have everything done, and I showed you how you can create new templates. So here there is a proper way of doing the verification. So here is the option to unlock limits, and to create it properly, you have to verify your business. If you click on get started, you have to start the verification your business with Meta. Then only it will work. So if you have some kind of a verification data which you can share, which Meta can use to verify yourself, you are good to go. So I'll click on start verification. So here you have to follow this step to verify your business. If you are able to verify your business, then creating new templates is quite easy, and you can easily create different templates for different use case. And then you have to come back here, and you have to just in the template, you have to select the template. So right now for me, I got reminding people also. I don't know how it came, but let's see whether it's working or not. I'll execute, and it got the resource you are requesting could not be found, because right now it's in review mode. So that's why it will not work. So similarly, you will get a lot of template based on your use case. So you can create multiple agents like that for each use case. For example, if sale is going on, you can create new template, and you can select here. You have many options to create catalog, to create simple messages, to create call to action messages and everything. So this is the whole end-to-end WhatsApp marketing AI agent using N8N for free of cost, and I taught you each and every step in Meta Graph API, how to set up, how to verify, and how to build this agent which can run 24/7, which you can configure for any time. So I'll share you the same JSON template of this agent in my Skool community. So definitely go check it out. There you will find this JSON and step by step way to achieve this. So how simple it is to send marketing messages using N8N and Meta Graph APIs. But if you go for an agency, they will charge thousands of dollars to do this. But here you can do it quickly, free of cost, with little bit effort and verification. So if you find this video useful, then like this video. And if you are new to my channel, then definitely subscribe to my channel, because every week we are posting similar kind of videos which are very useful for AI and automation. So if you are watching this video till here, then you are very interested into AI agents and automation. So I definitely recommend go check out my this AI agent masterclass playlist. I will see you in these videos.